Hello guys, in this video, I will compare TopStep and Apex Trader Funding, two of the most popular funded trading programs, and I will help you to decide which one is the best for your trading goals. So let's start with their program structure. TopStep offers a two-step evaluation process, focusing heavily on rules like daily loss limits and consistency, while Apex has a one-phase evaluation and traders often say it's more relaxed with drawdown limits. Next is their profit splits. TopStep offers up to 90% profit split after scaling up, while Apex gives 100% profit on the first 25,000 USD and 90% after that, which is very appealing for high profit traders. And now for cost and pricing. Apex frequently offers discounted evaluations, sometimes up to 80% off, while TopStep is more expensive and less promotional, but it includes educational resources and coaching. And when it comes to payout speed, Apex is known for fast, reliable payouts, often within few days, while TopStep also pays on time, but with slightly more rules around timing and proof of consistent results. And lastly, their support and community. TopStep has a longer track record, established reputation, and structured mentorship, while Apex, on the other hand, is gaining popularity fast due to flexibility and fewer restrictions. So, for final verdict, you can choose TopStep if you value structure, discipline, and educational support. And you can go with Apex if you prefer flexibility, fast payouts, and cheaper entry to funded training. So if this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials, reviews, and comparison videos. Thank you for watching.